Hi, this is our core learning course by example, and my name is Chien. Today is the day 18. I would like to talk about how to uh, create a new file in Java, and after that we will listen the text from the console, and this write it into the created file in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. I click, and here I will create a new file inside the main package, and I will name it either okay here write the data into s file and okay and create a main method. Okay, here, so in order to work with the output and input file content, so we have to import some the library which support it. Okay, I will import java.io dot file import java.io dot file output stream import java.io dot io exception print printer writer and import java dot until scanner. Okay, so here for this one remove is try case. We will through the IO exception. IO exception e dot print stack track. IO exception okay. I have five new. So here we are going to have to create a new file. I will create a text file d slash my file.txt. Okay, if file exists here, so I will check if the file is not exist, so we will create a new file. Otherwise we will ignore this. Create new file. We are using the print writer pwd and new print writer. So we have new file output stream. We have file, and the next parameter is true. True here mean we have append equal to okay. So here we allow the append equal to mean if we for the first time we run the application, so we enter the data, and that data will be saved into the text file. And in the second time when you run the application again, so if you enter another value, it will be append into the file, the text file, instead of replace the current content in that file. Okay, cool. So here, continue. System dot out dot print line and the text. We have a string equal sc dot next line. So here I will write the content using the print writer dot append. I will append string, and here pw dot append. So here I will print a space, white space, because if we don't print white space here, so we don't have any space if we append another text into that file. Okay, so here firstly I will comment out this one, and I will show you the demonstration and why we need to have a print out the space here. Okay, so here I will close the file and system dot out dot print line. It should be done process. Okay, cool. So now here I will try to run the application first. Okay, so here I will try to explain the code first. Sorry. Here I will use the scanner to allow the user to enter the the user enter the data from the keyboard. And in the child case statement here, we are going to create a new file, specify the path of the file, and after that we check if the file is not exist. So if I will create a new file, otherwise we skip this one and run it to the print writer. So here for print writer we are allow we are open the text file here, and after that we set the property allow the user to append data at the end of the paragraph. And after that we display a message which let the user know they have to enter the data from the keyboard. And next one we create a new variable to listen the data enter from the keyboard of user. And after that we are using the append property to write the text into the file. And after that when the writing is done, we close the process and print out the message is process done. Okay, and here if we have any issue with the read and write the content into the text file here, it will display some the IO express exception. Print out it here. Okay, cool. So now I will open the D drive here. We have no file here. Okay, so now I will back to the Eclipse and try to run it. Right click on it and run Java here. So here you have to enter. Okay, open this, enter the text. I will enter hello, my name Chien. Okay, good. After I press the enter from my keyboard, so it will display the message is done process. Okay, cool. So now come back. I will open the folder for testing. Here you can see here we have my file .day18 has been created here. So open it out. Okay, here it in this screen. Yeah, so it say hello, my name Chien. Okay, that means the content entered by the user from the keyboard has been writing into this file. Okay, close this one, and I back to the application again and run it again. Hey, hey, enter here. So we are open the file again. Yeah, you can see here the hey message had been appended at the end of the file here. But you see here we have no space between the Chien and hey. Okay, here we have to add the enter manually. And okay, back to the code. So here I will remove comment here, and it should be work. Hey, back by adding news white space at the end of line. Enter. Here. Okay, here. Hey, I'm back. Okay, formatting first. Here, run it again. Run it again. It should be fine. Yeah, okay. It should be fine. The last one, just for testing, I will be right back later. Done. The last one, just for testing, I will be right back later. Okay, cool. So it seems working fine for now. And okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to create a new file in Java. And after that, get the text data from the console entered by the user and write it into the created file. Okay, I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.